Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You can watch more videos here related to different forms. Please subscribe, share, comment and like. Let's start filling the form. First we need to open our web browser and write down here how to renew child Canadian passport, canada.ca, how to apply for child passport in Canada, whether it is the baby first passport or renewal for your child. You use the Journal Passport Application Form PPTC 155. It works for both new and renew passport for child under 16. Now I need to click here and I already provide that link in my description box. If you want, you can directly open through that link. Now I click here. Here you can see how to apply for a child passport in Canada. Here you can see forms, instructions and fees. Answer the question below. When do you need the passport? I click here. 2 to 9 business days. Click here. If you need early, then you can click here. Who are you applying for? I apply for my child. Was the child most recent passport lost, stolen, damaged? None of above. Click here. How to apply for the child passport? Get it in 2 to 9 business days. Complete the form. Fill out the form on your computer to save the time. Save the form on your computer and use Adobe Reader 10 or higher. Do not use your phone or tablet. The form will not work properly. So now we need to download our child passport application PPTC 155. Click here and download. Here you can see child journal passport application. Type or print in capital letters using black or dark blue ink. Child personal information. Surname, last name, I fill here Ojla. Given name, Sanveer Singh. All former surname including surname at birth if different from above. This will not appear in the passport. I leave this one. Place of birth, Edmonton. Country, Canada. Province, Alberta. Anticipated date for travel. If you have any plan, then you can fill here randomly any date and otherwise you can leave. Date of birth, sex male, natural eye color brown, height 53 centimeter. Current home address, street, city, province and postal code. If the mailing address is different from current home address, then you have to fill here other mailing address, otherwise you can leave if you have a same current and mailing address. Child under 16 years of age are not required to sign the application form. You can leave this blank. You do not need to write anything here. Information on applicant, parent and other parents. Is the child currently the subject of an adoption process? No. Is there any separation agreement like child custody? No. Relationship between applicant. Click here. You can choose here from any option. I am married, so I click on married and date of marriage of applicable. Application parent or legal guardian and other parent. Here I fill information related to mother and here I fill information related to father. Current surname, here I fill mother surname. Given name, all former surname if different from above. I have no any other surname, so I leave this section. Here I fill mother date of birth, country India, current home address, number, street, city, province, postal code, primary phone number and email ID. Here I need to mother signature, date, signed at city and province. Other parent, here I fill father information, current surname Ajla, given name Jasprit Singh, and all former surname if different from above. We have no any other surname, so I leave that section. Fill father date of birth, country India, current home address, province and postal code, primary telephone number, email address and signature. Here I need father signature and date signed at city and province. Previous Canadian travel documents has a Canadian travel document, passport, certificate, identity or refugee travel documents been issued to the child in their current name or any other name. So we have a previous passport because we renew our passport. So I click on yes, and here I need to fill passport number, date of issue. Yes, please return it to me. If this box is not checked, this passport will not be returned and will be securely destroyed. I click in this checkbox. Proof of Canadian citizenship. Provide one of the document list below, Canadian provincial or territorial birth certificate original only. Here I fill my son birth certificate registration number and date of issue. Declaration of application, surname, last name of applicant, Ajla, given name of applicant, Sandeep Kaur, relation to the child, mother, surname, last name of child, Ajla, given name of child, Sanveer Singh. Here we need to applicant signature, mother signature, date, signed at city and province. Declaration of grantor. The grantor must know the applicant, identify in this section. Here we need all the information related to grantor, surname, last name in passport, given name of grantor, date of birth grantor, Canadian passport number grantor, date of issue and expire or legal guardian, friend, and telephone number of grantor, current home address of grantor, city, province and postal code, full name applicant, parent or legal guardian, Sandeep Kaur, and full name of child, Sanveer Singh, Ajla. I have know the applicant parent or legal guardian for number of year like 5, 7, 10. How many you know? Signature of guardian. Here we need the signature of guardian, date, signed at city, province. Emergency contact information. This information is helpful if the child requires emergency assistance while outside of Canada. Here you can fill your partner information like father, surname Ajla, given name Jasprit Singh, relation to the child, father, telephone number, email ID, current home address, city, province and postal code. Child Journal Passport application for Canadian under 16 year of age applying in Canada or USA. So here you can read requirements checklist. We need 2 passport size photos and birth certificate original, and you can read all the instructions here. And about fee and period of validity, here you can see the validity and price of passport, 57 Canadian dollar. Method of payment for in-person application. If you apply in person, then you do not need to fill this section, and if you apply by mail then you have to fill information here, credit card information. If you are applying in person, do not complete this section. If you are applying by mail and paying by credit card, complete and submit this section with your application. Card type Visa. Name as it appears on card Sandeep Kaur Aujla. Card number, date of expiry. Name of child Sanveer Singh Aujla, and here we need to fill amount and signature of card holder Sandeep Kaur. Here you can see mailing address, and child personal information. You can read these instructions if you want, and you can read about signature here. This is the correct way for signature. Please don't do like that. Canadian passport photo instructions. Here you can read about photo instructions. Now you are ready for apply renew your child passport. If you want to watch more videos related to forms, please subscribe, share and comment. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you everyone.